Amazing 7, and today we bring attention to the Poland's new 8 billion euro airport. Poland is moving steadily towards starting construction of its new 8 billion euro Centralny Port Communicacyjny CPK airport, or Central Communication Port in English. The airport is scheduled to be located some 37 kilometers west of Warsaw, while according to the new civil engineer, geological excavations and underway last month. CPK aims to become one of Europe's largest and most important aviation hubs, which will feature worldwide direct flights. In addition to this, the CPK project also aims to transform domestic infrastructure. High-speed railway works are scheduled, which will connect the airport to any major Polish city in less than 2.5 hours. Some reports state that if the additional infrastructure works are taken into consideration, the project's budget could climb to 30 billion euro. The project is going to occupy an area of 3,000 ha, while its construction has been split into phases. The first phase consists of 2 parallel runways and a main terminal, which will be able to accommodate about 40 million passengers per year, with flights projected to start in 2028. During the second phase, a new terminal and runway are going to be added to the project, which will increase to its total passenger capacity to 65 million people. Finally, a third phase is also included in the master plan in case needed, which would bring the airport's capacity to 100 million. Some controversy regarding the project has been present, with the head of Ryanair, Michael O'Leary, calling it unnecessary, among others, and Polish President Andrzej Duda characterizing it as one of the most important that Poland is carrying out in the 21st century. However, it is only sure that the project is moving ahead, as it was recently announced that strategic investors were selected for 49% of shares, while a contract was signed for the air traffic control tower. These are the 7 amazing facts about the Poland's new 8 billion euro airport. Number 7. Architectural marvel. The airport's design showcases architectural innovation, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal, creating a landmark that reflects Poland's commitment to modern infrastructure. Number 6. Capacity and efficiency. Designed to handle a large volume of passengers and flights, the airport emphasizes efficiency in operations to accommodate the growing demands of air travel. Number 5. Green initiatives. With a focus on sustainability, the airport aims to implement eco-friendly practices such as energy-efficient designs and environmentally conscious infrastructure. Number 4. Technological advancements. The airport incorporates state-of-the-art technology, including advanced security systems and modern passenger facilities, ensuring a cutting-edge travel experience. Number 3. Economic impact. The project is expected to have a significant economic impact, creating jobs, stimulating tourism, and contributing to the overall growth of the region. Number 2. Location. Situated near Warsaw, the capital city, the airport will serve as a key hub for international and domestic flights, enhancing connectivity. Number 1. Scale and ambition. Poland's new 8 billion euro airport is an ambitious project aiming to be one of Europe's largest airports upon completion.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.